get some powder on the koala kid, please?
White powder makeup. Flying in.
Oh, and what's your name?
Some call me Princess, Honey Bear, or Blue Eyes, but most just call me Charlotte.
Thank you, Charlotte.
No problem whatsoever.
What's going on here?
A photo shoot with the
Woof.
koala kid. Kid.
Famous in the kid who gonna make us all famous. Famous.
Make you famous? You sure it's not the other way around?
Oh, come on, Miranda. There ain't no harm in it.
But the whole billabong's here. Nobody's watching the perimeter.
Big cats.
I'll be back. Bog never gives up.
Well, who's Bog? Bog?
The crocodile
Turtle dragon.
drove me home along with my leg. He lives on the other side of the valley and he's got his sights set on taking the billabong's water. So best of you beware.
Then we'd better be prepared.
Your sister seems pretty mad.
She's just not used to having a real-life celebrity around. But I don't mind.
I should go talk to her.